Okay. What do we have today? I've got a package from Renewed Man. I actually purchased this on the Beer Trend Reviews live stream that we had because I just had such a great experience with feeling beard for this company. And when some of the other guys were talking about this tobacco scent that they received, I was like, I gotta have it. So right in our Beer Trend Reviews live stream, I actually ended up purchasing this because I just really wanted to try this tobacco scent. And we're gonna cut away from ourselves and open this package. So let's see if I can. Oh, maybe I need a sharper knife. All right, so let's just cut right through that. I believe I actually have a discount code with Renewed Man too. I don't remember what it is, but I'll toss that in a little caption here for you guys as well. I think it's 10% off or 15% off or something like that. So if you've been looking to buy Renewed Man and you missed the Beer Trend Reviewers like big discount code that we had, you can still get a bit of a discount on trying out these products. So here's a little card as well for Renewed Man, and then on the back it tells you to post your stuff up to their Instagram and Facebook or tag them or whatever, and share the love of Renewed Man. And then you've got Jared's email on there as well. The owner's name is Jared. If you have any questions about his products, he will be happy to respond to you. Oh, I like this. So it's in bubble wrap, but like you'll notice I can this will open up and then I can take these out very easily. I kind of like that. It's much nicer than having to cut into everything all the time. So they actually have, totally forgot about this, they have like different like tops. So this is like a squeeze top that you would get out of kind of like a lotion or whatever. And then they have, let me grab some of my older stuff from them. So here's another one that I got from them before. And this one is like the regular like pumper top that you guys are used to. And then I think you can actually even purchase like the restrict, or you can even pick the restrictor top for what kind of top that you want. I don't think it costs anything extra. I might be wrong. I just really wanted to try out these kind of pump tops because I've never tried them before. So that's why I ordered for this one. So this is the Barista's Mocha. We're just going to show you very quickly what the label looks like there. And then on the back, the ingredients are apricot oil. I might as well do it like this so you can check out that sweet label while I'm reading it. So apricot oil, almond seed oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, fractionated coconut oil, argan oil, castor oil, and then essential oil blend. So I am super excited to try this out. Really digging the coffee scents lately too. Definitely takes a few pumps to get it to start squirting out, but there you go. Oh. Oh my God, that is such a... Oh, guys, this is like if you like your lattes, like oh my God. Like those sweeter kind of coffee scents. This this is your scent. Wow, I can't wait to try this. Oh my God, this is gonna be... Oh, guys, I can just smell this all day. Like this oil, it smells amazing. And all of Jared's oils are essential oils, so there's like no fragrance in here at all, and just blows me away what he's done with just like essential oils. I know he's looking at trying out some fragrances for his products as well, so we can expect to get like a larger variety of scent profiles from him. So that's coming in the future, and I can't wait to try those out too. But this Barista's Mocha, guys, holy cow. Here's the Gypsy's Tabak. That's what the label looks like for that. Ingredients are, I think it's the same apricot oil, almond seed oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, fractionated coconut oil, argan oil, castor oil, essential oil blends. So that's what you're getting with that. So just to show you, like it takes a little bit to get the pressure going to squeeze out some oil here, but there, I can feel the pressure now. There you go. Just warm it up. It's a nice light medium oil, this one. And this one definitely smells essential oily. Let's put a little bit more there. Okay, there we go. Now it's coming through. I think I had to put just a little bit more to get the scent to come through. So this is a very light tobacco scent to me. I feel like I really gotta sniff it quite a bit to get that tobacco scent to come through. So if you're looking for like a really strong tobacco scent, this is probably not it. Again, this is just my first impression, so I'm going to use this product for a week along with the coffee scent and just really experience it for you guys and let you know what you can expect after using these products for a week. I think out of these two, the Gypsy Tabak and the Barista's Mocha. I already know Barista's Mocha is going to be my favorite. Even if you're not into coffee scents, guys, I never used to be into like tobacco and bourbon, these types of scents. If you haven't tried a coffee scent in a while and you don't like coffee scents, try this one. It is such a nice, sweet coffee blend, like a little latte kind of drink. Like it just, and it's strong. Like for essential oil, I feel like this is one that's going to last a really long time. I'll let you know after using it, but um, I'm I'm obsessed with this coffee scent now, and I think you guys should definitely check it out. Check out the link in my description for a discount code if you want to try these guys out for the first time. And I just can't wait to try them out for another week here. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week. Uh, uh, um, um, uh, then on the back, it tells you. But I know he's looking at trying out. All right, so let's get this. On the first go, these are a little bit tricky to get off, I'm finding. Like, or my hands are just oily, I don't know. There we go. Okay.
Perfect.